Ajaba ben aito dikinesi cheke. Era ina batch. A batch no pachuno or itoike. This is a batch. It's what is used for COVID together with ewusuk. This one you break the bark of the tree. When you're going to prepare it, you get very little like this, just a small piece you break from this. Then you come and pound it. You pound it. The small piece you've got, you pound properly, and then you boil it. When you boil it, this is how it turns out. You can warm that mixture of the abacha. You keep it in a cup, and then you can drink it when it's warm later. That's how it looks like when it's ready to be taken. Abacha, emuke abacha, etutum kedawola keda dekasinache. It treats many diseases, cough, flu, and other diseases also. And also, if you've taken poison, abacha is very good. When you drink it, it can make you vomit the poison. So it was used also a long time ago. Then, ajatarenga asimiri muke malaria. If you want to identify asimiri, it's a plant that has yellow roots. So when you get the yellow roots, you also pound, boil, and then you drink. It treats malaria and other diseases, headaches, stomach ache, cramps. You can use that one. Then this is ewusuk. Ewusuk, pedolija pachun or itoike, araibo, alemuninyo, ike chok. Pedolija ike chok, araibo, ake bubuk. Apachun. Ipachujo, bala batch, pikakini jonyo. Kakini jo okiso dojai roh kedanyo kedai idol dojai mat bala epaneli inflammatory. Like how we have made the abacha, it's the same way you make the ewusuk and the asimiri, all the same. These ones I have them at home. Since COVID, we have been doing them. In fact, I was boiling this abacha to drink because I have a flu that is coming. So I'm waiting for it to cool, then I will drink it. Thank you.